Disposed my Lord to TB infection because almost on a daily basis there are TB cases which are established. I was advised by our resident doctor that I should keep my mask on 24/7, but my Lord, it's not easy. You can't sleep in a mask. And also, my Lord, given my pulmonary challenges, lung challenges, breathlessness, keeping the mask on all through is problematic. But again, I can't be remanded elsewhere because the bombers, the other wards are not at all, they are not well ventilated and they are fully congested, my Lord. So the only place where I can be kept according to the prisons authorities is where I am. So I was requesting if I can be, my Lord, taken back to Mulago for the time being. I'm sorry, my Lord, but I'm worried because I'm sitting on a time bomb, my Lord. I'm extremely worried. I'm having sleepless nights, my Lord. Even the clonazepam, the bromazepam I'm using as sedatives, they are no longer effective because of my situation, my Lord. With lots of drugs causing a lot of dizziness, poor feeding, with all those threats, and the excruciating pain I am having at the back, the neck here, the sciatica here, the left leg, without the services of a physiotherapist. So it's a cocktail of challenges, my Lord.
Yes. I'm hearing you, thank you, my Lord. And for information, they're all being recorded. Verbatim. Thank you, my Lord.
Tukibadde mu kooti omulamuzi ne twakanyiza yatwise na tetukanya tukolere mu chambers z'omulamuzi era abantu ababaddeyo babadde batono mutusonyiwe. Bwe tubaddeyo omulimu omukulu ogubaddeyo gwe gw'okwanjula abazze okweyimirira munnaffe Honorable Lukwago. Bonna tubataddeyo mukyala Namboze, Honorable Kasibante, mukulu we Haji Abdusawankambo gwe muyita muzigo ne Mr. Chrysostom Katumba partner waffe bwe tukola. Bonna tubanjuddeyo tewabaddeewo kwesika kwonna. Ekyokubiri ne tukkaanya ku ngeri gye tugenda okuteekayo okuwumbawumba oba okukubira mu kuwoza kwaffe